guys, how's it going today? I want to do this video because I've tried out something. Well, I've talked about doing it, and then my son surprises me and already is like a foot, well, I guess a step ahead of me is what you would call it. So I was wanting to try that drone Dropbox thing, and I was just wanting to know, or wanting to know what it's like and what it is. So I got one today in the mail. Awesome. I have not been in this box yet, so I'm gonna do it with you guys. And I have the camera here looking at me, and I have another camera up here. I have the SQ12. I think it's good. And you guys see I have through Crystal's crazy corner in there. Give her a little bit of love, and you guys get to see me give you the love. What? So check it out. So the box says droneboxdrop.com, teamblacksheep.com. Check it out on there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's look at it right there too. Cool sticker. Check it out. So I'm gonna try to get into this. Peel the sticker off. Get into it. We got the drone Dropbox. I don't know what edition this is. Like what month it is. I think this is April's edition. So let's get into it and see right out the gate. Right out the gate. You guys can't see this. What TV show was this in? Hey. Guys, so right out the gate we have they're 5'1" by 5'1" by 3 HQ props. Nice. Then we have another set of props. Another set. And actually these are the twisted ones. These are what they call the floaty props. So that'd be really cool. And then we have a bag. Check that out. That's sick. To keep all your stuff in. Nice. Let's see what kind of room we have in here. Oh wait, there's stuff inside here. Okay, nice. I'm thinking it's just a bag, and there's stuff inside the bag. So, no way. This is what I'm thinking is, dude. I was just thinking I need to get some of these. Oh, that is cool. All Team Black Sheep. Stickers, yeah. Who don't like stickers, especially Team Black Sheep, my dude? Oh my, yeah. This is cool, man. Let's get into this because, like I said, I was thinking I was just needing some of these. Oh, actually, let's. I think it opens up. May not have to cut it. That way we don't cut into nothing. You know what I mean? Then again, I think cutting this, nah. It's just a real tough package to get into. Oh wait, no, this ain't what I was thinking. This is oh, okay. XT60 rubber pieces. I'm not sure what they would be used for. Feet maybe. Let's dump them out here. There's 20 of them. Okay, we got some rubber feet. I guess that's what you use it for. There's rubber. I think it's rubber pieces. Okay. If anyone knows what they might be for, they're just like rubber caps. That's cool. I guess like You could put them on like the bottom of your drones. I guess they would be flimsy for that though, wouldn't they? Alright, they're used for something, so I'll use them for something, that's for sure. But that's cool. But these props are supposed to be... Let's get a pack open here. Start looking at them through there. Oh yeah. They're for sure. Justin, these were the props you're telling me about. I see what you mean, that real twist to them. Because I'll show you what I fly with now. This, I mean, you can even see the difference in the twist in that prop. Nice. So 3 sets of those. That's really nice because propellers are always needing propellers. Let's throw it on the bag here. We've got 3 sets of props. Oh. The bag. The bag. The bag. Really nice bag. I foresee my rodeo going in this probably. 20 rubber caps, rubber feet. I'm not sure what they're used for, but we'll find out. They use them for something. We got a VTX, the Unify Pro 5.0 gigahertz HV race. So that's in there. And stickers. Oh, and silicone packet, but you don't need this. Nah. And some stickers here. So yeah, really nice. That's cool. Like I said, I'll figure out what those feet are for, but I'm just saying they're feet, but they're rubber caps. I'm just thinking, not for like motors. I guess. Well, I guess you could have small motors that they'd fit on, but I'm not sure. Okay, but there we go. First drone drop box. Nice. So we'll get this video uploaded and let you guys check it out. You guys see Crystal's crazy corner. You can't see it here, but they can see it down here. So thank you for watching.